Hello and welcome to Teachings in Education. I am your narrator, Frank Avella. In this presentation, we're going to explore the Education for All Handicapped Children's Act, also known as Public Law 94-142. EAHCA has many accomplishments and was enacted by Congress in 1975. This law was eventually reauthorized to the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act, IDEA, of 1990. This law guarantees what's called FAPE, which stands for Free and Appropriate Public Education. Federal law guarantees the right to a free education for any child with a disability, regardless of how severe that disability is. The key word is appropriate, meaning each child must be educated in a way to meet their specific needs. The least restrictive environment is defined as an educational environment where students are placed with non-disabled peers. All handicapped students should be placed in the least restrictive environment based off of their academic, social, and emotional capabilities. This lends the idea to the inclusion movement. Students can be placed in separate schools with disabled peers only if their academic goals cannot be met in the regular classrooms. For that reason, EAHCA is often referred to as the mainstreaming law. Students and their families and guardians are always entitled to due process under the law. Due process in this case relates to access to judicial review. The educational plan should be developed with input from the parent and designed to give the child the best possible chance of success. The purpose of the IEP is to build on the student's strength while putting supports in place to help the child in their areas of weakness. The duration of services must be stated in the IEP. For example, the date of implementation when special education begins, as well as the date for termination of the IEP. There must be annual meeting once a year to review the child's current progress, and at the annual meeting, a new IEP is usually written. It will include any modifications and accommodations. EAHCA dictates that all handicapped children must be evaluated by their own public school district. Typical evaluations include educational evaluations, psychological evaluations, social evaluations, etc., and so forth. Another component of this act is that all students with a disability, either physically or mentally, are entitled to at least one free meal from the school each day. For more information, grab the Special Education Law PowerPoint found in the description below. Also, I want to say thank you for your time. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Please like and share this video. And thank you again.